and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And just a little bit while back, a company of the name of diamondart.uk reached out to me and asked me if I would do an unboxing on my channel, and I said sure. But I did go ahead and take a look at their website before I said yes, and I did that, and I was very impressed with their website. So I did pick out one of their diamond paintings, and they sent that to me. So I want to show you what I picked out, and so I'm going to switch you down here so you can take a look at what they sent me. Oh, before I forget, hit that subscribe button. It's tucked down here somewhere, so and give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate that. All that stuff. So I'm going to switch you down here so you can see what it looks like. Again, it's diamondart.uk, and I will put a link, and I also will show you what their website looks like and then all this wonderful space that I have here. And currently, I did notice they were running a buy two get one free, so take advantage of that. And I really like their website and some of their selection that they had on their diamond paintings, so there you go. So it came in one of these gray packages, and it came in a box, so I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. And on the back of here, it has the instructions on how to do your diamond painting, and that information is back here. So we'll open this and see what it has, and it also has some notes here for you also in regards to diamond painting. And yeah. And it also says that diamond is the use of environmentally friendly resin material product in accordance with the DMC International Standard Card. It says the total number of 477 diamonds can be accurately displayed, and transitional color picture pattern closer to the original effective brilliant three-dimensional shine. Okay, so here is what I picked out here, and we have, they also sent the little tray and some wax and the placer. That's all you need to get started. They sent that with this also, so that's all you need to do your art. With this is round diamonds, and it does have some specialty diamonds here also. You can see what some of the colors look like. We've got some like tear looking ones, some diamond shaped ones, and the round ones. And here is what the picture looks like. It's got some flowers. Let's see what it looks like there. And there's also some shimmer, some glitter. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter or not. I'll try to take some close-up pictures so you can see what the glitter is in some of this background. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different diamond shape, that sort of thing. I don't think this will take very long to do. What I will do is let this flatten out till I'm ready to actually work on the project, and that probably will take me, I don't know, maybe a couple hours, maybe 3 hours to do this, depending if I work on it continuously or as I have time to work on it, that sort of thing. What I will do is I will do a work in progress videos with you as I work on this. So yeah, I think it's going to be really pretty. Yeah, I like this one. So yeah, there you have it. So I think it's going to be a really pretty project to work on. So yeah. So like I said, this was a paid promotion. They sent this to me, and asked if I would do a collaboration, and I said I would. Again, this is diamondart.uk. So yeah, that is their website. And like I said, I will show a link and kind of show what their website looks like right here. So there you have it. And I will put links below in the description so you can click and get to their website. All right. And this away from each other. So this number here correlates with this number here. So I'm not concerned about these getting mixed up someplace else with that. So that number and that number are together. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that number and that number there are the number. If by chance they don't, then just make up your own number. Some type of numbering system, that sort of thing. I'm going to also put this is the Diamond Arts UK information. So I have that later on because it was, they sent this to me. So I'm going to keep that information with this painting. But other than that, okay. So there you have it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get off here and do some other painting. I'm going to do a paint pour here in just a few minutes. So what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.